Hello sir, my name is Rizal Sansriyadi, you can call me Selin. I am a fresh graduate from University of Multimedia Nusantara. While I'm studying at university, I am also working with my brother. I help my brother business to add pocket money because I'm wondering. I help my brother with financial checks using Excel and Google Sheets. Also, I design Instagram posts using Canva and Procreate. Apart from work, I also joined the University Medical Center organization. In this organization, I look after the health clinic on campus, participate in service requests for other campus activities, and receive basic medical education from doctors and community health centers. Through this experience, I can calculate and check money transfers and design posts or make an illustration that can be useful for the job desk position. Since I was child, I've been really interested in drawing. So I'm focusing on improving my skill, knowledge about design. I feel that design is not just about aesthetic and certification, but I think it can be about moving someone's heart, educating, informing, and more. My interest in this field grew thanks to the experience I had during college and work. I also learned a lot of new skills and applications that can help us create design. One of the reasons I'm interested in graphic design is because it keeps up with current trends, making the designs eye-catching. Furthermore, I believe there will always be new developments in graphic design, which keeps me challenged and curious. My strengths relatable to this job position is that I can do illustration and graphic design, which allow me to approach projects with a strong sense of creativity as well as technical execution. I am comfortable working on various types of visual content, from conceptual ideas output to final design outputs. I have experience in high school, college, and even in the work environment. I can adapt easily with my surrounding and I can manage to finish my project on time. I have proven with my previous career that I am a trustworthy person to be in charge of a huge of work and that takes a lot of responsibility. I can manage my time very well between working and living my life. With this stress, I am confident that I can contribute positively to the team and handle the responsibilities of this position in a professional and reliable manner. Although I am very proficient in my work fields, I am not good at interacting with people, but it doesn't mean that I can work with other people. But what I mean is that I am not good at making conversation with other people. Uh, I'm good in a professional environment, but not in social environment. Therefore, there might be a little bit awkward moments when I'm talking to a college, and I'm easy to get distracted while I'm doing some work. Example like open social media or talking with someone else. Although it's not like I can finish the project, I will try to finish every text until it's done. But the process can be a little bit slow compared if I can work with full concentration. A couple major things that I have worked on. I have worked on advertisement, application designs, illustration, and web designs. Therefore, most of the things I handle are in the illustration part. I can make a lot of things that will make the client feel happy, but this field can easily be aspects even further. I understand that my position can be versatile, and therefore I understand that I need to have a good understanding about each of them, and I can assure you that I'm great at understanding these fields. For example, I can combine illustration graphic and design graphic together, because I have a project about Instagram content that design that should have text and the owner's illustration. This project allowed me to balance creativity and communication. I believe this approach represents me well and show how I can contribute to future projects. I will begin to make a rough outline of what I need to do for the project. Every time that I have a random idea or I thought about the project, I will write in my notebook or typing at my phone because it might be useful for later. After that, I will take some inspiration from another design and I will make a rough sketch of what I will make. In between every session, I will always ask myself, if I was the audience, what would my reaction be when I see this? Therefore, I always ask my colleagues for their opinion about my design midway, and I can take them into consideration by changing my plans for the designs. Mm, As I said, making a design is not just about aesthetic and certification, but it can be about moving someone's hearts, educating, informing, and much more. Uh, Artificial intelligence can help us to make some designs, but it is just for inspiration because the human brain is the greatest imaginer and can feel the emotion that it can share with audience. We can use artificial intelligence as a partnership for doing a design project. Examples like if you are blog, we can use AI to search for some information, and I think that is legal for designer to do. As long as we don't use artificial intelligence 100% and do development, I think it's fine. I have also explained a little bit about this is previous question. I will always accept different opinions from my friends or colleagues. For me, feedback and revisions are a normal thing of the design process. A design must not only fulfill my own satisfaction, but also others. It is good to have different opinions from other people because then I can learn about different perspective of point of view, understands different point of view, and sometimes even discover ideas that I hadn't considered before. This helped me to grow both as a designer and as team member. In professional work, I always make sure to carefully consider feedback and evaluate how it can enhance the final results. My goal is to create design that not only look good but also solve problem effectively. I will ask about what I'm confused about in the brief. I also want to ask the motive behind the change of result of the discussion. This can change my way of working around the design. I don't mind sudden change early on, but if they happen mid process or even near completion, I'll explain to the client that the project is nearly complete. I ask for the client's understanding that the process is nearly complete. It's difficult to change a nearly finished design and start over. The role of a graphic designer within a team is not only to create visual outputs but also to help the team clearly visualize ideas, concept, and the overall direction of a project. A designer acts as a bridge between abstract ideas and tangible visuals, making it easier for everyone in the team to understand what is being built or developed. I believe I can contribute by providing visual insight that might help the team see things from different perspectives. Sometimes, through design, I can influence or shift the way the team approaches a problem or interprets a brief. This can lead to more creative and effective solutions.